Welcome to Computics Technologies. In today's video we will be learning about ERC20. So, what is ERC20? The ERC20 introduces a standard for fungible tokens. In other words, they have a property that makes each token be exactly the same as another token. For example, an ERC20 token acts just like the ETH, meaning that one token is and will always be equal to all the other tokens. In simpler terms, ERC20 is a set of rules and requirements that Ethereum-based tokens must follow to be considered compatible with the Ethereum ecosystem. ERC20 tokens are fungible, meaning that each token is interchangeable with any other token of the same type and value. The ERC20 Ethereum Request for Comments 20, proposed by Fabian Vogelsteller in November 2015, is a token standard that implements an API for tokens within smart contracts. The functionalities a ERC20 token provides are: transfer tokens from one account to another, get the current token balance of an account, get the total supply of the token available on the network, approve whether an amount of token from an account can be spent by a third-party account. Here are some of the key methods of ERC20 tokens: name, symbol, decimals. These three are the optional methods: total supply, balance of, transfer, transfer from, approve, allowance. All these functions are must-performed functions in ERC20. Below are the two events, transfer and approval, that you have to perform in ERC20. If a smart contract implements these methods and events, it can be called an ERC20 token contract and, once deployed, it will be responsible to keep track of the created tokens on Ethereum. The major differences between ERC20 and ERC721 are: fungibility. First and foremost, ERC20 tokens are fungible in nature. There's nothing like a token ID. ERC721 tokens are non-fungible in nature. Each NFT has a UN256 variable known as token ID. Token identity. In ERC20, no KYC verification required. In ERC721, KYC verification is inbuilt. Collectability. ERC20 tokens are not collectible, they're interchangeable and represent a single entity. ERC721 tokens can be collected like fiat currencies, they're not interchangeable and represent a collection of assets. Fluctuation. ERC20 value doesn't fluctuate, since ERC20 are not unique. Requires one common smart contract. ERC721 value fluctuates according to rarity and uniqueness. Requires unique smart contracts for each token. Adoption. ERC20 tokens are commonly adopted. ERC721 tokens have limited levels of acceptance. Substitution. ERC20 are easier for substitution. ERC721 is no scope for substitution. Divisibility. ERC20 are divisible. ERC20 tokens can be divided in a number of ways. Even sharing 0.1% of the token is possible. ERC721 they're not divisible at all. Ownership. In ERC20 no special ownership functions can be allocated. In ERC721 special ownership functions can be enabled by these tokens.